If you spend 8 hours a day staring at a screen, this Dell monitor might just save your eyes and your desk from cable clutter. Here's what you get. LED monitor offers maximum efficiency and usability. 27-inch viewable screen size showcases movies, games, and photos with striking clarity, and 5 milliseconds response time makes it excellent for latest action films, sports, or gaming. The IPS Black panel delivers a 2000:1 contrast ratio, which is nearly double that of standard IPS monitors. Deep blacks make dark mode and shadow detail look fantastic, and there's none of the blooming you'd see on VA panels. For photo editing or watching movies in a dim room, this is a clear step up from most productivity monitors. With a single USB-C cable delivering up to 90 W of power delivery, you can charge your laptop while sending video and connecting peripherals. The monitor also includes a downstream USB-C port and 4 USB-A ports, turning it into a full-fledged hub. This means your desk stays tidy and you only need to plug in one cable when you sit down. The built-in KVM switch lets you control 2 computers from one keyboard, mouse, and monitor setup. You can switch between them with a dedicated button on the front bezel, and it supports picture-by-picture and picture-in-picture modes. It's a huge time saver if you juggle a work laptop and a personal desktop. Out of the box, the U2724DE boasts Delta E less than 2 color accuracy, covering 100% sRGB and 98% DCI P3. The factory calibration report is included, so you can trust the colors without needing a calibrator. For graphic designers or video editors, this level of precision is a serious asset. Dell's UltraSharp line is known for rock-solid build quality, and this monitor is no exception. The stand offers height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustments, making it easy to find a comfortable ergonomic position. The matte anti-glare coating reduces reflections, and the thin bezels look clean in a multi-monitor setup. Plus, Dell backs it with a 3-year advanced exchange warranty. The panel is locked to 60 Hz, which is fine for office work, but not for gaming or even smooth scrolling in web pages. Many competitors at this price point offer 75 Hz or even 120 Hz for a similar price. If you occasionally play games or want buttery smooth cursor movement, this is a clear limitation. At €619, you can easily find 27-inch 4K monitors like the Dell S2722QC or LG 27UP 850N that cost less or the same. While QHD is crisp, it doesn't match the sharpness of 4K for text rendering or video editing. For the price, the lack of 4K resolution feels like a missed opportunity. There's only one USB-C downstream port, and it does not support video input, so you can't daisy-chain another monitor via USB-C. If you need to connect multiple devices beyond the built-in KVM, you may run out of ports. The hub is good, but it's not as flexible as some competitors with more downstream USB-C options. Despite the excellent contrast from IPS Black, there is no local dimming, so HDR content looks flat and lacks punch. The monitor covers sRGB and DCI P3 well, but peak brightness is only around 350 nits. For true HDR work or entertainment, this monitor isn't the right choice. The Dell UltraSharp U2724DE is an exceptional productivity monitor with its IPS Black panel and powerful USB-C hub, but the lack of 4K and 60 Hz refresh rate holds it back. If you prioritize color accuracy and cable management over resolution and refresh rate, this is a top choice. Check the latest price for the Dell UltraSharp U2724DE in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews.